Coco, when mommy says stop, you say okay.
I'm just a baby.
But you still have to say okay, mom.
I'm just a baby.
And use all your dog's favorite words.
Oh, we're just at home hanging out with Hazel and Motley. Yeah, they were very good pups today. They went for a walk. Yeah, the walk was really good. On the walk, we saw a few puppies. But then Motley found a stick and a ball. And then he took the ball and he went to the park. And then after the park, we went to the dog park. And that's where we threw the ball. And then we jumped in the pool and we went swimming. Yeah, they did so good. Yeah.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored.
Dammi il pollo, dai. Mettilo qua, veloce. Amone. Qua, mettilo qua, qua. Se non me lo dai, ti graffio tutto il parquet, capito? Te lo giuro. O il pollo o ti graffio il parquet.